In this video, we shows how to create railings in Revit. Railings are objects that interact with stairs and other objects. You can add railings to existing stairs or you can create freestanding railings. Railings can have handrails, posts, balusters and one more bottom rails. For showing railing tool, here we are opening a plinth level in floor plan of building. The railing tool is on Architecture toolbar. Click on the Architecture toolbar. We can see the railing tool on Circulation panel. Choose Sketch Path from the railing drop-down menu. For editing railing properties, we have to go to Property box. Here we can see different types of railing. From the drop-down list, we should select 900 mm rail. Then we have to go to Edit tab for duplicate the original. Now I will show how to draw the railing in the drawing. Here we can see a draw tool bar with drawing tools. Using these tools you can draw the railing in your drawing. You can see the railings that we drawn. Select the railings and we have to go to Property box for editing the railing properties. In top rail panel, we can change the height and profile type. Here I give height as 100 and profile type circular handrail. Click on apply button to see the changes. Next we shown how to add extra rail. Click on rail structure. Edit tab. Insert required number of additional rails. Here we can adjust the height of the new rails in this column. Then click on apply to see the changes. Next we shows how to edit baluster properties. Click on baluster offset edit tab. In baluster families column, you can choose the shape of baluster. By changing base offset and top offset columns value, we can easily offset balusters base and top. Click on apply to see the changes. Next we can adjust the in between gaps of balusters by changing distance from previous column value. Click on apply tool to see the changes. Then click OK for finish the steps. Thanks for watching this video.